You can afford a $200 per month car payment. You found a 5-year loan at 5% interest. How big of a loan can you afford? So we can find how much you can borrow using this formula, monthly payment times all of this with R and T divided by this expression here, where R represents the annual percentage rate divided by 12 for 12 months, and T equals 12 times the number of years. So first we'll calculate R. So we've got a 5% annual percentage rate. So converting that to a decimal would be 0.05 divided by 12. And for our T, it's going to be 12 times 5 years. So 12 times 5 equals 60 for our T. So with our formula, we have amount borrowed equals the monthly payment, which was $200 per month. So 200 times 1 plus R is 0.05 over 12. T is 60 is our exponent here, minus 1, all over R is 0.05 over 12 times 1 plus 0.05 over 12 to 60 as T. And then we just have to simplify this big ugly expression, which we can do this with a calculator. So we'll use this Desmos scientific calculator, which you can find by going to this website. We have a big fraction, so we use the fraction button, and on the top we have 200 times, you can use this for times or asterisk key, parentheses and parentheses, 1 plus another fraction, 0.05 on the top, 12 on the bottom, and then we need to close our parentheses. We want to put an exponent of 60, and then we'll click next to that to get out of the exponent, minus 1, close parentheses, and on the bottom we have a fraction, 0.05 over 12, and click next to the fraction, times, parentheses, 1 plus another fraction with 0.05 on the top, 12 on the bottom, close the parentheses, exponent of 60. Okay, so according to Desmos, the amount borrowed would be approximately $10,598.14. So with a $200 per month payment, 5% interest in 5 years, we can afford a car that's about $10,000.